Focus on the inside, like that. Okay, just like that.
Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
(2014) Honda Civic with a CVT transmission. If this plug keep coming out of your CVT, as you can see right there, this is not the first time this thing happened, and there's oil everywhere. All right, so the fix for this will be cleaning the vent, which is located right under your thermostat. So I'm gonna stick, let me see if I can zoom in and I can show you. So you see that right there? That's it right there. So let me stick my hand through here, and I'm gonna pop it up. Okay, so here it comes. Okay, so this is the vent. Now, the mistake the Honda made was by putting this vent like this, pointing to the front. You see how it's clogged up? Okay, once you clean this, put it facing back or sideways. Don't put it facing to the front, because all the dirt and everything will clog it up, just like that. Just how this one is clogged up. Let me see if I can just get the stuff out right here. All right, so I might need something to poke this and put some brake cleaner in there and clean it. So give me 1 second. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take that dirt out. I'm gonna put this right here. I got myself some carburetor cleaner. All right, so I'm just gonna spray some in here. Then I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna focus on the inside, like that. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna take some more carburetor cleaner. There. You saw that? Just like that. Now this is clean. This thing has an arrow. I don't know if you can see. Don't put this arrow facing to the front. Put it sideways or facing to the back. Because all the dirt, you know, when you're driving down the road, all the dirt's hitting right here. That's what actually clogged this stuff up. Okay, so this one is good to go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall it. So to reinstall it, is really easy. Well, let me see if I can show you that. Maybe you can see through here now. Where the van's supposed to go? Right there. You see that right there? So that's where it's gonna go. So let me go ahead and put that on. Okay. I'll stick my hand in there. I find that little pipe sticking up. Okay. Go back down again. Focus. All right, so now, see, as you can see, I put it facing back, so that thing is not gonna clog up anytime soon. And of course, don't forget to put your plug back in, which is right there. Let's see if I can stick my hand through here. Ooh, it's kind of tough. Stick my hand through here. Next to the battery. Got my hand through here next to the battery. I'm able to grab the plug. I'm gonna bring it out and clean it. dirty. Okay. So now that it's clean, just to be safe, I'm gonna wrap around some electrical tape. I'm gonna go around at least 2 times. So here, I grab right here. I'll go around. That's 1 and 2. Just like that. All right, now we're gonna put it in there. Let's see. Should go real snug right now. Oh yeah, now it's real snug. All right, so there you have it, guys. That will be the fix. Cleaning that little vent and putting some electrical tape on the plug, and your problem's gonna be fixed. But make sure you check that plug every time you do an oil change, just to make sure it's still there. All right, like always, please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.